evening, everyone. Today we're going to have a very interesting guest. He's actually dead for many decades ago, but he's still very famous because of his artwork. He's Salvatore Dali. If you think I'm part of the sculpture, I am not. This is the sculpture, and it's called Cyrillis Piano. The piano stands on naked legs in high-heeled shoes to support a woman dancing as if to its music. That's what it means. And to me, the piano lah. Clear cut. Oh, the sculpture is Dali's reinterpretation of a medieval myth of the unicorn. According to the myth, only a virgin, moi, maiden, moi, is able to tame the mystical animal. So true. I've tamed a lot of animals in my life, but they all come in human form.